Welcome back in this Chapter 17 video tutorial on learning macro and VBA basic to advanced. Here in this chapter, we will learn what is loop in VBA. Loop means repeating a block of code multiple times. This is used to perform a repetitive action. Basically, there are 4 types of loops in VBA. These are for next loop, for each next loop, do while loop, and do until loop. In this chapter, we are going to learn for next loop with 2 examples. First of all, create a module and sub-procedure. Then write the dim statement. Dim x as integer. Now write, for x is equal to 1 to 5. Keep some space for the code, then type next x. Between for and next, press tab key and write this code. Message box, this is loop example, and x. Now, using this for next loop, this code will execute 5 times. Let's run the code. First message box displayed. This is a loop example 1. Click OK. Second message box displayed. This is a loop example 2. Click OK. Third message box displayed. Click OK. Message box will be displayed 5 times. After all iteration completed, when you click OK, code will exit, because here, the variable x has the value of 1 to 5. So, that was the first example. Let's look into another example. Let me delete this code and write another code. In this code, A means column A and X variable will provide the row number from 1 to 5. First, it will put 500 in A1 cell. Then repeat this process 5 times, which will place the value 500 in A1 to A5 cell range. Let's execute the code step by step by pressing the F8 key. 500 filled in cell A1. When you press F8 again, code will start to repeat. 500 filled in second cell. Keep on pressing F8. Code will iterate 5 times. Code will exit now. So, here this code was executed 5 times by using for next loop. What if you want to put 500 by skipping 1 cell? In this case, you can edit the for loop. After this 1 to 5, put step 2. This will now put 500 in every second cell by skipping 1 cell. Let's run it. Here you see 500 is filled in every second cell. Let's modify for loop again. Make for x equals 1 to 15. In step, put 4. Run the code. I did a mistake here. First I should delete these values. Now run the code. Here you see, 500 is written after every 4th cells till the row number 15. So, this is all about what is for next loop in VBA. In the next chapter, we will learn another type of loop, that is for each next. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not. See you in next chapter.